Hello, I'm regular European investor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 stocks to buy in October 2020. I have invested a lot of time in doing this research, so please hit the like button if you found this information useful and subscribe if you want more reviews in the future. So let's start with the first one, which is Sony. Sony operates as one of the world's largest manufacturers of consumer and professional electronic products, the largest video game console company, and the second largest video game publisher, as well as one of the most comprehensive media companies. I chose this stock due to good financials. For example, their PE ratio is just 16.78 at the time of this recording. Their current stock price is seen as undervalued. Also, if you follow what top investors do, most likely you know that Warren Buffett has recently invested $6 billion to Japan. So I'm not the only one seeing a potential here. Also, according to analyst recommendations, Sony has a very strong 1.2 buy rating. I really want to get this stock before PS5 release this November, which might have a positive effect short term, especially during holidays period. But as I mentioned in my previous videos, I'm not a trader but an investor, so I am planning to hold to this stock long term. Next stock is MI Homes. As of 2013, MI Homes is the 16th largest builder of single-family homes in the nation. What I like about this stock is that it has amazing 7.66 PE ratio. It has exceeded its earnings for the last 2 quarters quite dramatically. Also, there's an increasing trend in private housing after Corona crisis, so I hope this will affect MI Home future in a more positive way. However, its buy rating is averaging at value of 2.5, but this stock is seen as a good short, mid and long-term investment. However, this is the only stock from today's video which you cannot find on Revolut Stock Trading platform. So if you want to buy it, you have to use another app instead. My next pick is Microsoft. It develops, manufactures, licenses, supports and sells computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers and related services. I'm pretty sure you know Windows and Bill Gates. However, I'm not planning to buy it due to my personal diversification rules, as I already have one open position with it and I am not a big fan of putting too many eggs in one basket. But enough about me, and without further ado, let's dig deeper into stock details. Microsoft has beaten its earning results during the last 4 quarters and its yearly earnings have positive increasement over the years. However, this stock is seen as overvalued, so this is not a good short midterm investment, but you will be a winner in the long run. Current analyst rating is 1.7, which is a go for me. Stock number 4, Delta Airlines. This one is more of a adventurous investment, as situation for airline companies does not look promising now. But according to my personal research, which might be wrong of course, Delta Airlines have the highest chance for smooth recovery out of all major US airlines. I'm not planning to invest a lot of money in this company and will not touch it for a while, as the recovery should not be very fast. I will just leave it for a few years and do not bother about it. It is currently seen as undervalued, so that is the only reason why I'm considering the risk to reasonable extent. My last pick is Raytheon Technologies. It is one of the largest aerospace and defense manufacturers in the world by revenue and market capitalization. It researches, develops and manufactures advanced technology products in the aerospace and defense industry, including aircraft engines, aerostructures, cybersecurity, missiles, air defense systems and drones. The company is also a large military contractor, getting a significant portion of its revenue from the US government. What I like about this company is that its revenue is growing years over years and it has a decent analyst price target of $78.52 US. Analyst recommendations is currently at 2, which is a go for me as well. However, I also see it as a more risky investment, so I'm not planning to add a lot of Raytheon shares to my portfolio. So to summarize, my top 5 stock picks for today are Sony, MI Homes, Microsoft, Delta Airlines, and Raytheon Technologies. I would like to hear your thoughts about these stocks. Can you share those in comments, please? Thanks in advance. I would also like to remind that in order to boost dialogues around stock investment, I am starting a challenge in this channel. Top 3 voted stock suggestions received from my subscribers during September will be monitored during next month, October. And I am planning to give away free t-shirt for the person suggesting best performing stock for that month. I am not professional or licensed investor, so do not take my videos as an investment advice, please. I built this channel only for entertainment and educational purposes. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.